chat. Why free? Yo, 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 yo. Bro, for my stream, I'm crashing already. Mic. But we have news. I think we have news. 10:30 or something like that. No, don't even know where. I'm gonna try to go on my I'm gonna do it in seconds. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna turn up this. Bro, I don't even remember where I turned up this. I swear. Must filter. I have to filter, bro. I ran at that. Most good now. Yo, Charlie, can I hear me loud and clear? All the mic still low. Most good now, bro. If this still low, like, hold on, I'm gonna turn down your background music. Most good now. Alright, almost good now, chat. Hold on. Close that. Start the ball game. Yo, now see my screen. Yo, Mocha, we now start dial. Hold on, chat. Alright, you must have seen me around. So I cheered them take yesterday, bro. Yesterday, Asian session. I know, but the inner this a trader with the inner drawdown and my whole market closed and market open back up with DP. I yesterday trade though. Hold on, give me 1 second, I must see something. Hold on, child. I'm gonna try like turn this up some more. Cause it too low. I like when you like it too low. Feel it. I like when it's too low, I swear to you. It just to me have all the background music I play. Can't make your mic too low. I don't want it too high either cause then it pick up everything. I think we're good there, so we're good there, so. Most good there, so. Try raise it like I want to go in like a yellow. Right, so. Alright, chat, I delete all of them and start over. Start over from scratch the analysis. Why? Care about this down. Hold on. No, you see like every time I freaking end stream I fall back the audio fuck up. I just usually go bro. I don't want to go too far. I don't think I'm good there, so. Alright. I will just start the ball game. Chat, if I'm mic too low up on your end, just let me know. But we should be good. Alright. I'm gonna delete all of them. I'll run the analysis. We have news in like a minute, bro. A minute and 15 seconds. Alright, chat. So I'm gonna try to get some levels mark up fast and quick. Yeah, 8:30 news. Look on it daily. Just I do a drop down. You see me from the monthly, weekly, daily. Go straight down. Yesterday we closed bearish respecting. Print a low, flip bullish on the current daily candle. And the rebreak of the highs got range going up. I'm gonna go up on 4 and see some where I can go with barely have a low point 4. 30 minutes left. Could this 4 I can go flip bearish, or this gonna be like a higher low for this 4 I can go push up and rebreak its highs? I mean by that is something like this 4 I can easily open up, push up, print a high and reject, but instead I will flip bearish, right? That's how that be flip. Instead I will flip bearish or print a low, and the next can go fall back up, rebreak the highs. I say if that will happen, we have clean range going up. We have like a resistance, right? So here's me. So price for rebreak the highs, the buys and going up would have been decent. Here's my child. And this would just be like a higher low. this will be a higher low right so for push price up. So we'll just wait and see. As I say, we have news I go forward out. Yeah, I go see price react. So we can do for after news forward out. We try to take advantage of like the leftover volume. When news are forward out with start for log out. I'm gonna see how the news can go forward out. Forward out, push down. This could be another low too. Depends on how we close chat. I'll wait and see if we actually get a closure below. Alright. And as I'm gonna say, if 4 hour highs, if price will start rebreak the highs, we could we'll start hunting for buy position. Rebreak of the highs at 47.60. So chat, that are basically the idea, you see me? As I'm say, this could be like a higher low will lead to the only can go flip, and we'll look for buys if this only can go rebreak its highs. Think it only can go higher and if 4 can go higher, same. But you that expect price for reject chat, you see me? When I look for weekend trades, when I look for no weekend to buy, would I wait for price actually reject first and rebreak the highs at 47.60? Or look for buys. This can go feel like push up and close back above, print a top wick instead, flip bearish, but wait for like range 2 breakout before we look for sales. You see me? Drive range liquidity. I think we in a liquidity cycle now, if you ask me. Would I say yeah. This right as well. Could I call this a drive? You can call this right as a range. Yeah, most likely this is the liquidity chat. This is the liquidity right as well. But would I have to like close all the way back below the range though? You see me? I have to close all the way back below the range. Like how price breakout, print a high. I will consolidate. Also sound like this. Price have like close back into the range, print a high, and continue straight down. If stuff get closures below or closures in a range, then we can start look for sales. As almost as sales, range 2 breakout for sales them. 47.50. That at the top wick area. We might surprise start for react. Let's see my check. This current 30-minute candle we are push up bullish. Yeah, that expect will push straight up towards 47.50. They don't know my story. They just know my songs. They don't know how far. No, we just play waiting game chat. You see me? Price action look clean so far. Like our goal and move. But as I'm saying, this could be like the liquidity stage chat. This is definitely the liquidity stage. Drive range liquidity. We have a drive. As I said earlier, we have a drive. We have a range. This could be liquidity now. We have a range, price breakout a range. So don't be surprised if I see price like close back into the range and we just start to head down. And my levels are kinda rough still. Like my drawing. But this could be like the top wick or the high. But we would wait, as I'm saying, we would wait if this are the like the liquidity. Once this 30-minute candle flip bearish. This 30-minute candle have a flip bearish, close below, and after close below get like another top wick candle flip bearish again. You see me? Then we would I think about look for sales going down towards the range fill. But yeah, we just need a range 2 breakout. And if that happen, we would just confirm say this candle now go drive straight back up. If that happen and we rebreak the highs, then the buys them going up. Buys them will go crazy. So alright, so we have to just this candle go be like can go decide everything, like the direction. Depends on how we close. So upon the candle, you know, enter sales and this can go close bullish. And you know, enter buys right now. And then it can go close bearish. Better wait for like this can go close, and then once this can go close, you have like a clear direction. Not the direction for the day, but where you expect price for go next. Daily can go flip at 47.27. So if we get a closure below 35, that would lead to the daily can go flip. Previous daily close bearish too, by the way. We have no more room, no data to the left. Even though, as I said earlier, you expect 4750 get tapped. I not look for no weekend to sells right as such, right? Because I want to give the only candle a chance for flip bullish. This are the only candle flip, right as so. They're on the 30-minute time frame now, but this are the only candle flip. You see me? So this 30-minute candle, I'll start from the hourly. Hourly candle open up. I think this is hourly structure. We'll print a high. I'm gonna go. Hourly candle open up. We'll print a high at 4760. We'll print a low. It's heavily bearish candle. Print a low. 30-minute candle close. Next, this current 30-minute candle open up. We'll print a high first. So it's like Texel, right? As such, it could play out. Could definitely play out. Something like this. But it wouldn't be ideal. Because what you want to give the hourly candle a chance for flip bullish. So this is candle push up print a top wick, we can easily do something like this. Reject, print a low, break the highs. And if price forward up to upper, so this is hourly candle flip. Remember I said earlier, the rebreak at the highs. Rebreak at the highs, it buys them going up would have be clean. You see me? So that's why I'm want to avoid this level. It is a rejection area. Price could definitely reject from this up, but it would be an A plus setup. You see me? It's like 50-50. That's why I'm gonna take it at 50-50. Better just wait, cause as I say, it's a high chance it's all it can go flip bullish, and the bullish flip there, right? So 47.56. I'm gonna go on the all the time frame. See there? All it can go flip. This I rebreak at the highs. So yeah, price there right as right now. I can't even drop on my chart. Price push up towards right as so. I'll just wait and see. But that I think, chat, basically what I just do, I like look on the structure within the hourly time frame. That I like one I think them were when I started like a couple months ago. And it really helpful, bro. You see like you look on the hourly time frame and you see like a bearish candle. But we just drop down to like a smaller time frame and we break down this entirely bearish candle. If that makes sense. So basically this is the hourly candle chat. The hourly candle open up right, so we print a high, we print a low. If me not trip, yeah, we print a low and then we push all the way back up. Print a high right, so I'll fall up a little bit higher, fall closer to the yellow line. Some of that's right, so. But you're not gonna see that unless I drop down to like a smaller time frame. You see me on the hourly time frame, you only see this bearish candle. But this size structure we have within like the hourly time frame. Push back down just a while. Here's my chat. You see, we drop down to the 30. The 30 are basically the same thing. I talk about the bearish 30-minute candle and the bullish one. You see me? We have 13 minutes left until the hourly candle close. So then two 30-minute candle chat. Then two 30-minute candle, the bearish one and the bullish one, are basically this one hourly candle. This one bearish hourly candle in our box. You see me? So as I say, then lines out my mark up, them blue level here are basically the structure within this bearish candle where I look on. The exact structure. So when you draw that, it just help you for like understand like the direction. You see me, and how likely. Say you go enter sales. You wanna make sure before you enter sales you have a lot of lower highs, top wicks. You see me? But when you look on the hourly candle, you not gonna really show you the lower highs them. When you look on this is just one straight bearish candle. So that's why when you draw it out and you're tracking micro movement, that's why it help. I show you exactly like the exact structure. And you must get what me as a chat. You must get it, bro. So this is basically what happened. After we reject, I'm trying to draw this out. Sometimes I forget which one may I use this. So it's price reject, bring like a mini top wick on this 15. I'll start to push all the way, but I'm gonna draw that better. Put here so start have a drop. Now push all the way down towards here so. That to that. So see that this overly candle structure. Pop back straight up towards here so. We basically use this or we are draw to make a move.
You've said it before. This will only take a second. Just a quick glance. A fast reply. But on the road, seconds don't wait for you. They decide everything. Who stops, who doesn't, who makes it home.
Yeah, odds are 9.
So next time your phone lights up, ask yourself, is
Whoa. It's up on 15. I think I would just sprint the low there. But no. I 15 low that been did it so. Think the lower I see him as that one. I have right so. I'm gonna make sure I get the exact low, right? So, right, yes, sir. Six minutes. Anyone when me a pre-chat, if price could I do something like this? Push up, tap the level, and then print like a fake out. Start to get closures back below. Once we start to break below 35, the previous low, we can start look for sales. Once we start to break below this right, so this lower SI same thing as this. You see me? So once we start to break below, sells them. Well, for sales, for take advantage of this range going down. You see me? But I just need the top wick there though. Would I need this? Would I need this? Would break out a range. But this range we're currently in right now, from 35 to 50. I'm minor range. So that this would be ideal though. Move them the though. Oh, you know me if I go back more. Man, trick, bro. Think I right so they did the top we can get printed. Which part price for down towards, yeah, so? See if done a stream. Hey dog live.
Because then once you have that shit, you anymore. But some then you're now like, where should I put my stuff at? So when you set it right, stop.
Jaja.
This range, here.
I see him think. I see him think. Me I say chat. This 30-minute candle can literally do anything, bro. I don't know if price gonna respect the high or I don't know if price go respect this 4750 levels flip bearish. We could do that. We could push up, rebreak the highs and push past it. You see me? So this 30-minute candle are basically this candle gonna decide what we do next. You see me? Based on how we close. Hey, yes, sir. Yeah, somewhere off, yes, sir. I will break so that even better. Put that right, yes, sir. Me I try to find like the exact area, bro. Right, yes, sir. I guess.
Usually getting a phone for $0 is too good to be true. A hassle, but not at Verizon. Now, when you make the switch to Verizon, America's best network, you can get the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra for $0. No drama, no hassles. No trade-in needed when you get a new
I'm gonna have to go
unlimited
freaking
ultimate plan. Talk about a no-brainer.
drop this on your charger, dog.
Based on root metrics, best overall mobile network performance, US 2H 2025. All rights reserved. See Verizon.com for details.
So for make sure you're freaking watch this every step of the way, bro. Every step of the way. We'll break? No, we never break. Man, I said we'll just retest. I said that was a retest. And then a low. So now we are what you call this? We are break the highs check. Wanna see how price I go react. Remember me draw out the exact idea what me have. So we'll see if that I go play out. We top, yeah, we did top 4750. And we officially break out of the range too, by the way. First breakout. As I'm saying, I want to see if price can tap this level and then start for like close back into the range. You see me? If that stuff will happen, we could look for like XAUUSD going down. And this would have basically be like the liquidity. So that I like the idea them we will have for sales. And if we break the highs and we just keep going up, you see me? Well, I'm use the next one. We have ideas for buys. If price will just continue up, we have idea for buys above 4760. You see me? Once price retest, we look for buys going up. Got clean range going up. If we get like closures above 4760, right? So that I two idea them we may have. I will just see how price. Now that price top, we'll just see how we react. So yeah. Almost there, chat. Now look for buys yet though. As I'm say, above 4760. Above 4760. Bro, I swear, me have to get back YouTube Premium, dog. Every 2 seconds they send me ads, bro. After we start to break, if price start to break above 47.60 chart, then yeah, I look for start. I start look for entries. And we start hunt. This some just a track like a structure what we have. You see me? That's all. I wanna make sure say if we're gonna take buys, its structure have to be decent. You see me? All the way up there, so and then we print a low. Yeah, something like so. I'm sure we top support level. Range 2 breakout would have been decent, bro. Or a re-break at the highs. But not yet. We're not ready yet. Price not ready yet. We would have to print a low. I don't think that way I do right now. Now print a low, price re-break its highs, that would have been decent. But not that one I do. Not that one yeah. We don't have more news, by the way. Hold on, let me check. Let me check. 10 o'clock, yellow folder, yo. Nothing too crazy. It's a yellow folder. Gangster life, I hold my love. I try to be decent, but junk creating on the billboard. Can't even find my fire dog. One a crew man on a black. Each meters on the top, what kind of meters of a scrap? Well, on chat, me a forward. We have 6 minutes left. Still is 30, I go close. 9:30 check. In the next 5 minutes, you're supposed to see volume pick up, bro. And it's next 5 minutes. Sleep goal, I put me to sleep, dog. We have 1 minute left till 9:30. Did I expect, as I say, did I expect the volume to start pick up? I delete them and draw out the next 30-minute candle. I'm gonna wait till this close, or see how it close. And what I can say too, see the structure we have going up, chat. I don't really like the structure we have going up. You see me? We gonna need for like grab liquidity, bro. You're gonna need for say something like this, where the price push all the way down back into the range and then print a fake out. You see me? Then we could have look for buys going up. After we get the closure above 4760, we're gonna need to say that. I read a price do something like this. If price this 30 minute candle fall up, break the highs, and then close back into the range. You see me? Then we could look for sales. But man, delete them there. Delete them there for now. Because can go printer high and no printer low. The current 30. As I'm saying, I just then two things there, bro. Is either this would I need a steeper load than that chart if we're gonna look for buys. As I'm surprised we have to push all the way back down back into the range and then re-break the highs. And price develop for go down that far, by the way. But I'm put back them now. Move that. That's a summer around, yes sir. Yeah. 47, 44. Price can tap this level and then we'll close back bullish back into the range. That would have been decent. So we need a steeper low than that chart. I'm gonna go work with this.
That's the sound of a warm tropical vacation booked with credit card points. Ooh, and that's the sound of new shoes getting delivered, purchased with cash back. And that's the sound of you knowing what your rewards are worth and what your redemption options are, because you used Cards Optimizer from Intuit Credit Karma.
Yes.
So when it's time to redeem, you can confidently choose whatever sounds best to you. Intuit Credit Karma. Download the app to get started.
I say F I go print like chat. Even though I would expect a steeper load than this, so a 30 minute can go print. The only way we look for buys without a steeper low is if we have like structure on the way up and if we get a closure above. So you see our price have push up now. See our price have followed up. We break the highs just now, nice. only way we look for buys if something like this happen. Break above the range like a price just though. That's cool. Wanna see another retest. Wanna see something like this. A break, a retest, and a rebreak. We could look for buys and the rebreak at the highs if that happen. Rebreak at the highs. That would have been the idea. But wait, let me see which try find like the range would I look for take advantage of. Next price push up. If price push up from above 47.63, we have a clean range going up towards that was 75, 47.75. That how much? 120. Could I put this right here, so? And break even would have be at 47.67. 6.7. Put it down towards 6.6. And would I need a low? Alright, chat. So we print a low. No, can't go flip it. I mean, we would even expect that though. Chat, you see, if we not print a low on a smaller time frame, we wait until like the 15 close 7 minutes. That if we not get no entries. In order for me get entries, I need to see a low right so. Then can go flip bullish. And even if we break and print a low right so at 56, 47, 56, that decent too. And this most likely gonna be a market execution. And let me see. Minute can go print a low.
Keep it protected with LegalZoom. LegalZoom has helped over 6 million people start businesses, stay compliant, and secure wills or trusts.
We have 5 minutes left.
Step-by-step tools and attorney guidance. We're the #1 choice for
And for low right so too.
when you need a legal hand. Trust LegalZoom. Get started at LegalZoom.com. LegalZoom provides access to independent attorneys and self-service tools. LegalZoom is not a law firm and does not provide legal advice.
We have a minute left, chat. A minute and 20 seconds, bro. Hopefully this not push and fill the range. If we fill the range, then a GG's. Hopefully this minute can go wait for we, bro. We already print lows. That's probably enough. Re-breaking the highs now. Range I gotta get filled, bro. Cook. No entries. Jaja. Range get filled without us, chat. GG's. I'll wait for this 5 minute candle close. And when this candle close, I want to see a low get print. And then we'll look for buys. We'll probably still can get buys after we close. Nah, yeah, so it's 5 push all the way down towards 02. Gambo 02, 62, 47, 62. But I have to push all the way down there, so 47, 62 need to get top. If me I go look for any buys chat in 14 seconds. Could be a weekend entry buys too. Weekend entry would be bad. Weekend entry would be decent. 2 seconds. Alright. This can go have to push down first. If we push up first, fill the rest of the range at 73. Yeah, idea basically out the window. When I talk about like if this 5 minute candle chat can open up, push down first, tap this level. With a market execute buys. You see me? And then expect it can go like flip bullish and fill the range and jump out. Something like this. But we'll fill the range first. Jaja, leave like a cuss. We just couldn't get no entries range fill, but price action clean though. Can't say that. Price action did look good. I just tried, isn't me? That's like that how we do. Whenever price fill range, you just adjust. So the next range, if you ask me, adjust this up so 47.83. Yeah, I expect this to get top. Would I need a bottom wick at 47.73? Closure above 47.74. And we would have be straight. Can this 5 minute candle print a low? And then rebreak the highs? That would have be clean. That's our next idea, chat. It's our new idea. If this 5 minute candle have 3 minutes left, if we can manage to like, I'm sure no. Since we open up and we push up first, fill the range. 3 minutes left. If we print a low, if we flip bearish, print a low at 47.66, and then flip bullish, rebreak the highs. Would I look for I put buy stop on the rebreak of the highs once this can go print a low at 66. For rebreak the highs, would I get activated, would I expect a range fill up towards 47.83. Measure this by the way. I have a 80 pip range going up, so that's not too bad. The only thing we need is a low. We need a low right here, so minimum 47.66.75. Press fill the range without printing a low. GG's again. One price print a low though, cause come on now, we don't want entries. Kind of corrupt, bro, when you see buys, you know, more or less see buy position, but I just can't enter because you know the entry confirmation. That rough, bro, because right now I see buys, chat. I see the range fill clear as day, structure look clean, but we not get no entry confirmation, so I have to just watch this can go push straight up. We look for entries. I think I've so much there, so I look for entries from. I get none. So I go still. I now go full more into buys. More see like the idea. Like 11s I'm have to get top. You see me? Idea I have to play out. And I full more into buys just cause price I push up. Look like we're about for closing at the middle of the range, chat. If you ask me, we still got range going up. We don't completely top as yet. I'm gonna go on a higher time frame. This could be so the freaking what you call it, the resistance. So what we can do is get some weekend sales. Weekend sales would go crazy. If price just keep pushing up. Weekend sales are 87, 47, 87. If we don't get no low, that would have be a good shot. This can just keep pushing up without printing a low.
Wakey, wakey. The Saja Boys breakfast meal is at McDonald's with spicy Saja McMuffin, hash browns, photo cards, and
At the point it highs.
forget hunt tricks. Pick our meal.
Second one the dog I use. As we say chat, you expect a low. If this just pops straight up without printing a low, then we look for weekend sales at look for weekend sales at 47.93. If we print a low, then we get buys. More look for buys on the rebreak at the highs. Price can do something like this. I'm gonna try draw you out, sure. It's like how push up we print a high. This side top wick. Once price reject, print a low. Right, so would that be good? 6-7. And then if we reject, rebreak the highs, then the buys them going up would that be decent. Is me on the rebreak of the highs. We got clean range going up towards, we call this 85, 47, 85. Measure it. $100 range going up. But the idea them, the sales idea them chat, if price just pops straight up without printing a lower. You see me? If price do something like this. Price do something like this, then we could have for sales right so. You expect price to reject the print a low, even if we are gonna push straight up and break the highs. Yeah, I expect a low get print, so this could have been the sales. So look like price print a low just now, but we'll see where we are reject from. We are reject from 47.69. Almost there. More movies. That look that good though. That good. That good though, by the way. So chat, as I'm saying, once the price stop, and then rebreak the highs. That time I wait point. And we can even look for put buy stop on the rebreak highs. $15 print or lower, that decent. I swear to you. 15 loaded. 15 loaded, decent. 5 minutes ago close. Bearish. Still respecting. I still expect a low. And then price reject. Buys at weekend buys at 47.61 would that be good. We're gonna look for take weekend buys. 47.61. Will be weekend buys. 9 minutes left, right? So it's kind of stay bullish. And 47.50. 50, put this 58. Yeah. While the range going up 70, 76, and a 3 bad. Market bearish though. Have to be careful with that. Careful with the weekend to buy thing there. Seems so bearish. And we already have low.
People just don't get it. That Squarespace isn't just for websites.
Depends on how we drive down though. Try see if price just pop
It's
straight
kinda like
down
if
fast,
you
it would have been
don't get
good.
anything off your art,
Once we tap this level
you
check,
do. And with a domain
weekend to
like
buys and would have been good.
xauuusd.com and a website from Squarespace, you can build a brand for yourself.
I'm not in there yet
Client
though.
list, and continue to
And
compute
price would have to
documents
like
all in one
push
place.
down and tap the level
Get
like
yours
fast
before it's
without
gone with
printing a
offers that
high.
make it real
If we start to
for
print
staff using
highs,
their website.
then we would
Terms and
avoid
conditions apply.
buys them. Almost there. More of this can go just push down check, as I'm say. If we print a steep top wick, then yeah, GG's. Would I avoid it? Almost there. Price glitch, bro. Man, I like that. Game like what? 11 pips away. Man, in a chat. Still not getting the entries. We never completely top. This could definitely be enough. This could definitely be it. But I don't know. I'm wait and see. Top week. Yeah, check. You know what? I got weekend should buy idea. Get rid of that. Cause I'm say we get up once we start to print top week, then the idea and I see them. We did try get like the first initial reaction. See how this can go almost top, and now we start to reject. This is what me did I expect. You see me? So now that we print a top week, if this can go push back down and top 47.58, we're gonna avoid that. You see me? And I see him. Before it's so close though. Like 10 pips away, bro. This would have been a clean buys if we get entries. Things would have been out by now. Would have definitely be out. 50 pips. Wait, missed that by 10 pips. I said, me a forge. I give me like 2 seconds.
Not just anyone can fight for everyone. Marines are made for this.
The 2026 Chevy Equinox is ready for your daily drives, weekend getaways, and everything in between. Plenty of cargo space, plus a big touchscreen that keeps all your tech right where you need it. It's more than an SUV. It's your Equinox. Chevrolet. Together, let's drive.
Million moonlights at the time I go live on stage, that's the way I'ma live. No phones allowed when I come in at the crib. Nice freaking range fill, bro. I don't know if I'm a levels them dog shit or what. But the idea I play out, I just not getting the entries. Levels them not get top properly, bro. But watch this. We can make a couple adjustments, because if we close above in 17 seconds, you'd expect 4752 get top. Wow. We'll close above chat. So I'll see if always can go react if we can push up first or if we push down first. Because it matter whether we print a low first or a high. Look like we're gonna print a low. 4758. Close bullish 25. When me I see chat, me I expect this 30-minute can go for print a low at 4760, or for breakthrough, me I expect will reject from 4753. So we could look for some weekend buys at 63. If price push up right away there, we just wait for like this 30-minute can go print structure before we look for buys. in structure to the upside, like higher lows. Towards the rebreak higher highs. I said 4780. 4780. Alright, also.
True relaxation is simpler than that. It's when those pesky tasks you don't
You
have time
expect a
for,
reaction
cutting
that
down
are
your credit
probably a
card bills
rebreak
are
at the
really
highs too.
important. Cards Optimizer from India Credit
Definitely
Line
expect
brings your
that.
card details together in one simple place. So tracking rewards and redeeming benefits is actually easy. Because you deserve less and more Intuit Credit Karma. Download the app to get started.
Buy Spanish rebreak at the high. Buy Spanish rebreak at the high will be a bad idea. But I'm gonna wait for a low first, try as usual. Price can print a low at like 68. Would I look to place buy stop on the rebreak at the highs? But I need for top 68. Finally, we top 68 chats. So now as we can see how price react. You see if price push up and rebreak the highs, we'll have to put buy stop. Our market execute buys. Once we start to rebreak the highs, or if we start to rebreak the highs. But I'm not look for weekend buys chat because this can easily push down with fuck bro. Can't live for it. This can easily push down with the higher time frame. You see me? If I feel take weekend buys right so. Like the 30 can easily flip bearish. So instead of weekend buys, I want to say we top and then rebreak the highs. Buys on the rebreak of the highs would be way better. You see me? Look for take advantage of the range fill going up towards 84, 47, 84. That would be TP too. But I avoid the weekend buys. I want to price to reject now and rebreak the highs. Bro, I'm just delete this alone.
At Walden University, get the W.
With Tempo Learning, I'm in the driver's seat.
Go faster. Go slower.
What I already know and what's happening in my world sets my pace. Let's do this. Get the W. Walden University.
We would have to rebreak the highs faster chat. You see if we push up slowly, then we would avoid entering a buys. We would have to have like volume. Almost there. Where am I stutter? We almost push up towards the rebreak at the highest chart. Almost there. I'm gonna grab my phone real quick. Alright. I'm there, but so let me see. We almost rebreak the highs. We have a minute left. We are gonna close within a minute. Hourly candle still open. Print a low up on the hourly time frame too. So it should be straight. So a 5-minute candle resistance. We never rebreak the highs just now. Still never rebreak the highs. and try to mark up some other levels. So range of good on how much, by the way? 120. A range of 120 chat. I don't know how this hourly candle look. Let me see structure this hourly candle have before I look for that. Thing right there, so open up, bring the high, and after that I just be a lower highs, go straight down. If I go look for sales chart, I still need to see a top wick, and then we'll look for sales and the rebreak of the lows. But what the range 40? No, that was 70. Nice. That are the top wick. But price that I know have to re-break its lows. No need for the price to re-break the lows. Almost there. Still, like price a joke. But as I said, chat, I'm gonna look for tech sales on like the re-break of the lows after we print a top week. But price print a top week, now I need for say price to re-break the lows. That was it, by the way. Nice low half I-30. We have 40 pip range going up on a 15 flip. Like a 30 closure would have been way better though. You know, like 4 minutes. I give 4 minutes and see how we close. $30 can get very indecisive, bro. We have 1 minute left until we close. A minute and 30 seconds. A 30-minute cangle, I don't know what it to do, bro. Now I have no direction in it. Finally close. Finally get a closure. So chat. Mother say we close respecting. You see me? If we print a high first, the sales would be a bad idea, bro. If we can print a high at 47.70, sales would be a bad idea at all, bro. But that a if price push up without a low. You see, if we print a low and then push up, the idea would be the same. Weekend chip buys at 70, 73. 47.53, sorry. If my weekend chip buys it, I'll be right as a chat. First, I have to push down top 53 without structure. Almost reach 56. Almost there, chat. If price reject freaking one pip away, then a GG is nothing I can do, boy, that I swear. This should have been break even too. Alright, chat, so just gone by. Just gone by is just now as soon as we tap. As soon as we tap. I'm execute buys, chat. Soon as price tap. 52. So now the idea, we already have it planned out. Break even is at 47.56. One more pull. Alright, chat. This is now a risk-free trade now that we tap this level. I'm gonna go break even. Can't even go break even, bro. May even get a chance for go break even, chat. That move too fast. Can go open up and just drop. And I get no chance. So I'm still in a trade. Drawdown. No, we in a drawdown. I'm not getting no chance, bro. As my boy for go break even, price start for reject. Price start for reject. Ideally can go flipping bearish too. So that's not a bad idea. And the rest would have be back into the range. This how much? Good. Let's chat. This I'm a stop loss. My stop loss I gotta be at 47.19.48. This will be my stop loss right, so if price break back into this range, that would be stops. Hopefully I understand the idea behind I trade though, chat. The most important thing. So that every trade. Second level way more valid. It's all good though. In terms of which bar price reject from 47, 46. Can we get closures above, chat? I'm gonna get ready for go break even, so I'm gonna miss it this time. Alright, this is a risk-free trade, chat. Stop loss to break even, modify. Oh, closing full. I just realized TP get hit. Closing full, chat. Just close full, and that's the trade. Another double trade, bro. That's the trade, chat. Hopefully I understand the idea though. I think that was 53 pips to be exact. 58 actually. 58 pips. So yeah, win streak continue. I have to just get that in my journal, but let me see what time we take this. Straight clean. We had some drawdown too. Had some drawdown, but not that much. So yeah, chat. Yeah, the idea was weekend chip buys. May I say, yo, may I expect price to reject from 52, but may have a level at 52, may have a level at 45 for the weekend chip buy, and may I say 45. Price push down closer towards 45, but either way we still reject. Even though I'm gonna take weekend chip buys from 52, idea still play out. You see me? We flip bullish once price top 46. We put stop loss to break even, and yeah, price fill the range at 58. That was basically it. After consolidation, check, I usually have like liquidity after that. So I'm gonna just get this in a journal. What time we take this trade? It was weekend trade. For the minute time frame, yeah, we take it on this minute candle. This was 10:35. I'm gonna see how much drawdown we had. The drawdown was 62 pips to be exact. 10:35, 62 pips. And what time frame we take this off? I think we take this off at the 15. We're forward down without structure. Yeah, 15 minutes. But today which date? 04. Today how much? Today 9. 2026. Well, I'm gonna try to zoom in. Put this at 15. 10:35. AM. I'm a journal this chat, man. Just call it a stream, bro. And that was 50 pips actually. So we basically recover, chat. We recover the L. I think we're like 10 pips in profit now, or 8 pips. Based off of like this a L though, my account this a L forward straight down. Man, I talk about the rest of trades them because we up crazy. But I just talk about like from this, cause everybody that say, oh, me I go recover the L. This 350 pip L. Everybody asks, oh, me I go recover it. But me I do not make sense. And see there, we finally recover it, bro. Finally, it take a couple days, but we still did it though. That was what sells. Sales will take no buy. Took a while chat, but we still recover. Weekend tree play. For the 15 was a dub. I think this a trader was how much? 58. I'm gonna try and make this bigger. 14. That green. And the drawdown was 62. 0 pineapple. Mother say we bearish. Daily bias. And I'm just zooming on them. And this are 58. So with that now, bro. Doing maths, Spanny. At 350 pip L. 354 pip last, so we take on the 24, February 24. Finally recover, bro. And March, April, finally recover. I'm gonna check you up. I'm gonna go up on the calculator and check you up. Hold on. I'm gonna go check this up. $58. That are 369 minus 354, 15. We have 15 pips, bro. So the point is we finally recover the L chat. Finally. We do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trade. It took us 6 trades. 6 trades and we recover. Everybody remember that earlier we take 6 trades, bro. 6. That's how we do it, chat. Consistency and patience, bro. Just have to be patient and stay consistent and you can recover. I'm telling you all the time, bro. But that is it for today, though. Hopefully you understand the idea behind the trade. That are the most important thing. And yeah. Me soon tomorrow. Tomorrow when Friday. A week are crazy if you ask me, bro. Man, that week was one of the best. I think the best week since the year start. Actually. But yeah, chat, me sooner tomorrow. W trade, W stream, drop a like on your way out. You see me? So YouTube can like show about the channel to more people. And yeah, hopefully I understand the idea behind I trade, chat. But that is it for right now. Me soon up on Friday.